You searched how to buy shares of GrowGeneration. GrowGeneration is a retailer of hydroponic and indoor gardening supplies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GRWG. This guide is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GRWG to find the stock. Select the listing that matches GrowGeneration to open its dedicated page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct listing. Verify the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and the GRWG ticker before proceeding. To place a buy order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. A link to the eToro example is provided in the description below.